गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज HR फ्रेंड गिरीश। हर एक कपड़े का टुकड़ा माँ का आंचल हो नहीं सकता, जिसे दुनिया को पाना है वो पागल हो नहीं सकता। On this exclusive event of the International HR Day, friends, I wish to talk about my very good friend, professional friend, and she is a senior HR professional and also leading and owning one very fast growing HR and allied consulting services providing company, which is called R Minds. And R Minds is located at Bangalore. And the exclusive senior HR professional, a lady, what I want to talk with about is she's Mrs. Ramya Rajesh, and Mrs. Ramya Rajesh is managing director and CEO of R Minds. And Ramya and I, we have a professional acquaintance, as we both are from the same HR professional and HR fraternity. And I and Ramya, we have worked together in latest companies, noted companies, and we have worked for the recruitment, placement, and we have filled various crucial positions as a team. So I and Ramya, we have worked as a team. And one very important point I have seen in Ramya is uh, Ramya is, you can say, basically a business management graduate, and she has completed her post graduation MBA studies in human resources and allied subjects. And more than a HR professional, Ramya got very good entrepreneur and businesswoman, business person attributes in her. So this has made Ramya a unique business person in the HR industry of the Bangalore and across India. And Ramya and her company R Minds is working very competitive and approached manner to solve the problems of the human resources and allied subjects of the professionally managed companies of Bangalore and across India. And Ramya and R Minds have got very leading and noted companies of Bangalore and across India their clientele list. And one very important thing, another point I want to tell about Ramya and R Minds is Ramya never focus only on the business or only on earning the money. And for Ramya and R Minds, the another priority, very important priority, is to serve and to invest her knowledge in the to contribute more in the wellness and growth of the business of the other companies or clientele companies. So Ramya or the R Minds motto or motive is not just to earn money or a business, but more than that, R Minds and Ramya are service oriented, and Ramya want to contribute her experience and her knowledge and her education acquaintance in the interest of the her and R Minds clientele companies. So I request you friends, so you can also, and if you are HR manager and HR officer of any professional managed company located at Bangalore and across India, you can also take the valuable services and the consultancy from R Minds, and R Minds is owned by Ramya. So you can approach Ramya and R Minds just logging on the website www.rminds.com. So please log into www.rminds.com. So you shall get the various services and consultancy details being provided by R Minds and Ramya. And also you can approach Ramya just by logging www.rminds.com. Thank you very much for listening me. So let us uh, together we will work, and let us contribute more and more to our company, and let us together we grow. So this is my personal request, and we have to appreciate and we have to help each other in this business world and in this corporate world. So let us help each other and let us grow together. Thank you very much. So your HR friend Girish is signing off, and I have my exclusive YouTube channel by name HR friend video. I have my exclusive video channel, that is a YouTube channel that is called HR friend Girish. So please subscribe HR friend Girish for getting latest updates on human resources, industrial relations, statutory compliances, labor law compliances, and employee relations. Thank you very much. So your HR friend Girish is signing off. Thank you.